What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This boy, your boy Kev, here with a quick video of finally got the Solara on the road after 7 months of working on her. She's finally running. Well, not, on the road running. Oh man, she took a while, but we finally got her. This is a quick video on little things that I did that I did off camera. I cleaned her up a little bit. She still got little things in there. Like, trash, whatever. But she's finally on the road. I took her to work a couple times already. Man, she got some power behind her. I can't lie. I like the way she rides. I mean, there's much more to go. From last video, look, I finally put the seat in. Got the seat off the junkyard. The other one that had a hole right about here. Nice seat. The other upgrade I did was the stereo. Put a double din in there. Sounds good. I already told you I put the rear speakers in. Everything's working good now. She, like I said, came a long way. She still got some little things here and there to get done, but overall, she's there. She's running. Put some hubcaps in the front. I know. Yeah, I'll get that done later. Like I said, it's just to run around, get at least the good tires in the front. And when I get a chance, fix the other wheels that I have, the set that goes with them, clean them up. I'm probably going to do that in the springtime. It's too cold to do anything. Another upgrade I did was, well, of course, I did the LEDs on the bottom. They're nice and bright. And, yeah, that pink sticker is just for, well, it's not the sticker card. That's for the inspection. They gave me 14 days, but I need much more than 14 days because I still got to do the windshield before I can pass inspection and everything. Now, on, let's say, I believe it was Christmas Eve. Well, I have my boy was selling a car, and I said, maybe I'll buy it. I said, hey, listen, let me do some payments, right? And whatever. You're like, all right, cool. I come home. Well, that was the weekend before Christmas. So Christmas Eve, I come home. Well, not Christmas Eve. On Christmas Eve, I told my wife about it. She goes, oh, let's go get it. I'm like, what? I'm like, you got the money? She's like, yeah. This is what we picked up. 2000 Honda Civic. LX, 5-speed. Actually runs pretty good, man. Well, my wife got it. So for my son, either to pick, because the Solara or this, because he was really in love with the Solara, being manual. He never drove a manual before and learning, and he wanted to learn. So we picked this up, and he was like, yes, I'm taking this instead. So now this is his. So I'm going to be doing videos. I'm going to be putting the fog lights on the bottom. I got to cut them out. It's going to be a few things, Just going to be a part of the channel too. We picked this up for $1,000 off my friend, which isn't bad. Actually, that's, you see them going for that price with blown motors and whatever. I mean, I know Civics are not, all that expensive, whatever, but she has 212 on the clock. Actually runs freaking pretty good. Starts right up. No issues. My friend, the car does have a little smell to it because he dropped sofrito right here. So the car does smell like garlicky, whatever. So I got to get that fixed. Well, shampoo it there, whatever. It does smell funny in there. But overall, I just did the rear wheel bearings because they were bad. Them things were horrible. And usually the rear wheel bearings come out pretty easily. No, of course, not for me. These are them. These are no good, man. The centers actually came out. And these were still stuck on there. I had to put heat to them and bang them out. Yeah, them things were growling, boy. Thought you had wolves chasing you. But yeah, overall, like I said, she's not a bad car, man. I drove it around. I was like, I've always liked Civics. I mean, I'm just too big for them. But if anything were to happen that I just needed a car for myself, I would always go with a Civic. They're easy to maintain, easy to work on. Gotta pop this back in. Very easy to work on, even if change the motors, whatever, they're simple. The clutches are simple. There's not really much to them. Like I said, she ain't in bad shape. She got the, typical rust on the wheel wells, coming through. That's typical on these cars. But yeah, like I said, it's not bad at all. She's not bad at all. Just give her a quick start up. The exhaust, it doesn't leak, but it has like a, Hondas, they always known to do a little rattle or a squeakiness to them. Five speed, baby. Look at this old radio, yo. These things are ancient, yo. Yeah, that's definitely got to come out. My son, he don't even have, like on his phone side, can't even plug it up. I mean, I know there's probably kits, whatever. I think I'm going to go to Five Below and get him, what's that, the Bluetooth, the plug-in. I had one, but I sold it with a car I had. Like I said, seats are all in good shape. This car's not bad. I'm getting the little bit of hanging there. That's like common with these things. But like I said, overall, not a bad car. Not a bad car. When I get when it gets warm, I'll do the, the regular maintenance things, timing belt, water pump, what else? The tune up, everything like that. But like I said, she's not bad. Let me lock her up for now. But overall, not bad, man, not bad. She'll last quite a few years. My son burns the clutch out. I put one in. They're pretty cheap, pretty easy. Back to the Solara. Let's give her a nice little cold start. I replaced the starter with a used one from the junkyard. I do all my stuff budget-wise, and the starter was starting to act funny, but I mean, overall, it still starts. It's just sometimes she don't want to engage. But hopefully, she don't do it now. I don't hate that sound. Yeah, look at Christmas tree. The ABS I did on the rear suspension. Of course, the windshield washer fluid. I had water in there and I had to drain that, so I haven't got fluid in there yet. It says I put 141,000 miles. Not 141, not thousand. Sorry, 141 miles. It's a little more than that. Yeah, she sounds lovely. Radio, of course, changes colors. That's just what's that, like the default. That's what she does. Interior's, like I said, pretty clean. I gotta still clean this, little stuff out. I wiped the dash down, whatever, but I didn't get, I didn't really clean it. Vacuumed, whatever, but I need to wipe everything down, armor all it, the good stuff. Yeah, that exhaust wall, she sounds right. Especially going down the road, she sounds right. You know, I had a few people comment on my last video about it and in the street, like, wow, they like the note that it gives. You know, and yeah, she's pretty, you know, she's not the quietest, I'll tell you that. But overall, she's good, man. Like I said, I got more things to do. You know what, let me turn on the lights so you could just see how bright the fog lights are now compared to the regular lights. I gotta get them because they look funny now. I don't know how you can tell. The bottom look bright as hell, and the regular headlights, they look, you know, got that red look. I don't know if you can tell in the video or not, but like I said, I still got a few things I gotta do to her, you know, but overall she's on the road. I've been enjoying it. My Element's parked back there. Like, if I'm not gonna be driving it no more, which I am, but yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update and show you, you know, that the Civic is now here and the Solara is on the road. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. My last video, I mean, I'm not gonna say it's doing real great, but it's doing better than all my other videos on the Solara. You know, to get monetized, man, to get, you know what I'm saying, to show more, to do more cars, man, I need them subscribers up, man, you know, because I got a lot of plans. I want to do a lot, you know, not just to this car, but to anything, you know, get a new project, you know, to flip, whatever, anything, you know what I'm saying, anything that's good for the channel. All right, guys, hope y'all have had a nice Christmas, have a safe New Year, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Thanks, guys.